Gear up with the ultimate lineup of smart gadgets designed to upgrade your lifestyle. These game-changing tools are built for the modern man who demands the best. Welcome to our channel. Sit back, grab that coffee, and let's dive into 14 smart gadgets for men in 2025. Like and subscribe to keep next-level tech at your fingertips. Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. Calling all DIYers, meet the Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit, your ultimate go-to for precision projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this kit's 35 attachments cover everything, from sanding to grinding to cutting. Powerful, portable, and engineered for perfection. This tool ensures effortless craftsmanship wherever you go. In birdie tempo plus golfers, take note, a perfect swing starts with tempo, and that's where the InBirdie Tempo Plus shines. This smart gadget tracks your swing speed and gives you real-time feedback to fine-tune your form. Just attach it to your club, swing away, and let InBirdie Tempo Plus do the rest. With this tool, better swings and lower scores are just a few rounds away. That's just 3 of the 14 incredible gadgets we've got lined up. Want to see more? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. Multifunction foldable. Level DIYers, it's time to level up, literally. Whether you're hanging pictures, building furniture, or installing shelves, this multifunction foldable level has got your back. It's accurate, versatile, and foldable, making it perfect for any setup. Plus, it's digital, so reading measurements and making adjustments. A total breeze. Kootenay Titanium Carabiner. Not your average clip, the Kootenay Titanium Carabiner is strong, lightweight, and built to last. Whether you're securing gear or just keeping your keys in check, this titanium powerhouse can handle heavy use without breaking a sweat. And because it's super lightweight, carrying it around is effortless. Titanium belt loop. Keychain, keys always going missing? Not anymore. The titanium belt loop keychain keeps them secure and within reach at all times. Made from durable titanium, this compact gadget hooks onto your belt loop so you'll never lose your keys again. Micro Carry Micro Blade Pill. XL. Tiny but mighty. The Micro Carry Micro Blade Pill XL packs serious functionality into a pocket-sized multi-tool. With a microblade, bottle opener, screwdriver, and more, this compact beast is ready for anything. Whether you're cracking open a drink or tightening a screw, it's got your back. And if this powerhouse impresses you, wait until you see the insane power of the GPDW IN4 handheld console. GPD Win 4 handheld console gaming on the move? Say hello to the GPD Win 4 handheld console. Packed with next-level power, this beast features a 7-inch display, a high-performance processor, and dedicated graphics, so your games run smooth and look stunning. And because it's handheld, you can take your gaming anywhere, from the couch to the coffee shop. Colax Hand Warmer Bag. If you spend time outdoors in freezing temperatures, keeping your hands warm is essential. The Colax Hand Warmer Bag is a portable heating powerhouse designed to keep your hands toasty no matter how cold it gets. This smart hand warmer comes built into a compact, easy-to-carry bag, making it perfect for winter hikes, camping trips, or even daily commutes. Whether you're waiting in the cold or trekking through snowy landscapes, this gadget ensures warm comfort wherever you go. Nightcore NTO10 Keychain Multi-Tool. Need a trusty gadget that fits right in your pocket? The Nightcore NTO10 Keychain Multi-Tool is here to make everyday tasks effortless. Featuring a knife, scissors, pliers, and more, this compact multi-tool is ready for anything. Whether you're cutting, tightening, or adjusting on the fly. With its lightweight design, you can clip it to your keychain or toss it in your pocket without worrying about bulk. The ultimate EDC tool for anyone who loves practicality. Fix Manufacturing Powder. Pliers, snowboarders, and skiers. This one's built just for you. The Fix Manufacturing Powder pliers are essential for making quick binding adjustments on the slopes. Designed to be compact and lightweight, these pliers fit effortlessly in your pocket or gear bag, ensuring you're always prepared for a fix mid-run. Whether you're tightening bindings or making small repairs, these pliers guarantee seamless adjustments without hassle, keeping you focused on the ride, not the repairs. Brix Max Lite For Lego lovers, your builds just got an upgrade. The Bricks Max Light for Lego brings perfectly placed LED lighting to illuminate every detail of your masterpiece. With easy-to-install lights, you can transform your Lego sets into stunning, display-worthy creations. Whether you're constructing a cityscape, a spaceship, or a custom build, this gadget adds that next-level glow for amazing visibility and aesthetics. Playseat Puma Gaming Seat gamers, listen up! Long hours in front of the screen can take a toll, but the Playseat Puma Gaming Seat has your back. Literally. Designed for extreme comfort and peak performance, this chair lets you game for hours without the aches and pains. Adjustable, ergonomic, and built for every intense gaming moment, whether you're racing, flying, or battling, this seat locks you in for maximum immersion. Tigo Roll and Go Adventure. Kit, camping and hiking just got easier. The Tigo Roll and Go Adventure Kit is the ultimate grab-and-go solution for outdoor enthusiasts. This compact all-in-one kit packs everything you need for a successful camping trip, from a durable tent and cozy sleeping bag to essential outdoor gear. No more bulky packs or struggling to fit everything into your backpack. This roll-up design makes it effortless to carry, ensuring fast setup and easy transport. Whether you're hitting the trails, camping under the stars, or preparing for an unexpected outdoor adventure, this kit keeps you ready for anything. MileSeed DP20 Pro Laser Distance Meter. Need pinpoint accuracy for your measurements? The MileSeed DP20 Pro is a powerful yet compact laser distance meter designed for effortless precision. With easy one-button operation, simply point, click, and measure, and this gadget delivers super accurate readings up to 131 feet. No more guessing distances or struggling with tape measures. Plus, the large LCD display gives you clear, easy-to-read results in metric or imperial units, making measurements quick and hassle-free, lightweight, portable, and perfect for construction work, interior design, or DIY home projects. The MileSeed DP20 Pro is a must-have tool for anyone who needs precision on the go. Now, if I had to pick just one gadget, it would depend on the mission. For precision and practicality, the MileSeed DP20 Pro stands out. It's compact, accurate, and effortlessly enhances productivity. But for gaming immersion, the Playseat Puma Gaming Seat is an absolute winner, turning long gaming sessions into next-level experiences. And for versatile DIY mastery, the Hato 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit is unstoppable. It's a tough call. But let's be real, you can't go wrong with any of them.